Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Blogucation for part 4 of the podcasting series. This time we're going to look at posting your audio post to Tumblr. Just to recap what we looked at in part 3 with Audacity, it was how to use the free open source program called Audacity to record your audio post, to create multiple tracks, and to edit and add audio to the background and to export it as an MP3. So that post for part 3 on Audacity can be found here on the site. And today we're going to extend that on how to upload your MP3 file to Tumblr to make it easily accessible to your listeners, or to use the application on the iPod Touch or the iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is to go out and sign yourself up to a Tumblr account. Tumblr is spelled Tumblr, so Tumblr as you would imagine it would be without the E. So if we click Tumblr, it's going to take us to the main page, which is pretty simplistic. And it's going to ask you to enter your email and your password. If you don't have an account, you could just kind of set it up right here and enter in your credentials and start posting, and it's a pretty quick process. I'm going to log in right now because I already have an account. So once you create yourself an account, it's going to bring you to this area here. I'm going to log myself in, and it's going to take me to my dashboard of Tumblr. Okay, so once you come in, the dashboard of Tumblr, again, is pretty simplistic, and it shows you, however, how powerful it is in the fact that you can blog using a variety of different mediums. So you could blog with text, you could blog with photo, you can quote something that you've heard, you can put a link to a website, have a chat, click an audio post, which we're going to talk about here, or a video post. It really is a multimedia platform for blogging and is quick, straightforward, and to the point. If we scroll down below, you will see that there are a variety of posts from the community. So everything on your dashboard is a variety of snapshots of what people are doing right now on Tumblr. And if you click this little arrow here, this ghosted out arrow, it will fly you up to the top. It really is a nice interface here on Tumblr. Once you log in, you're going to want to go to the goodies area so that you can see exactly how powerful Tumblr is. You're definitely going to want to put the bookmarklet onto your toolbar, and as you can see, when I put my arrow over it, it throws a little arrow up because it's going to put a little bookmarklet up into my toolbar. And what that's going to allow me to do is click the bookmarklet whenever I want to blog about a certain website that I'm on. All I would have to do is to click that particular page. And I believe I have that bookmarklet right here. You see share on Tumblr is that bookmarklet. And when I click share on Tumblr, it's going to open up this window. And it will allow me to give it a name and a title. And then it would automatically post the website that I'm on to my Tumblr account so that I could talk about it and reflect on it. So that's a really cool application you're going to want to add. We're going to talk about the app for the iPhone here in a second. So you can get that from the iTunes store. You can click download here and it will automatically take you to the iPhone store. So it says search Tumblr or email the download link to your iPhone and open in iTunes. We're going to do that in a second. It also talks about how you could back up your blog, direct it to Facebook, or publish to Twitter. And so when you update your Twitter account, it can post to your Tumblr and vice versa. Okay, so you could also post by email to your Tumblr account. So you can email anything to your Tumblr from your email platform of choice. You could also call in your Tumblr. If you want to call in your audio, you could call in using this toll-free phone number. And then if you have a blog, you can embed it. So Tumblr is a very, very powerful tool that allows you to post or your students to post blogs in a variety of different manners. So the first thing we're going to do is go back to our dashboard, and I want to show you how quick and easy this is. So I'm going to do an audio post. There are a variety of posts here that you can explore. A text post is pretty simplistic. You just put your title and then type your text post down below and edit it. Okay. And then you can tell it when you want it to be published, if you want to save it as a draft or if you want it to publish later. Okay? As I say, a pretty simplistic interface. Okay? If you want to upload a photo, okay, the photo has to be on your computer. It allows a JPEG, a GIF, or a BMP, so you can upload a photo. Write a little commentary on the photo below. Okay, and then click Post. You can take a photo if using your webcam that you have attached to your computer. This computer I'm using right now doesn't have a webcam. Okay, so let's go to audio. In the last post, part 3 of the podcasting series, I talked about recording an audio track and exporting it as an MP3. You can see here on Tumblr that they only accept MP3s, so you're not able to upload any other audio file. You can only upload MP3s, and there's a 10 megabyte maximum, so it can't be too huge. So you could just browse to the outside of your computer, or the inside of your computer, sorry, and then go to wherever you store your audio files. In this case, I'm just going to upload this particular one just for demonstration purposes. It is an MP3. Click Open and type a little description. Okay. So you have permission and that you own the audio track that you're putting up for copyright purposes. I want it to post now. Okay. Okay. And then I could just hit let people photo reply. Sure, why not? And then I hit create post. And then it will upload the audio image, and it's going to give you a percentage bar down below. It's pretty quick. There we go. We could play it within here in our dashboard. Okay, and then to go out to see, this is our internal area, so this is only really for us. When people come to our Tumblr account, they will see the external area. In this case, I have Alfred Hitchcock Vertigo theme going on here, which has the same font and typeface as Vertigo, and some ideas that link it to the movie. So you can see that the audio files that I post show up as cassette tapes. So here you can see the War of the Worlds track that I just posted, and if we click play, it will play the audio track as we just uploaded. This is a really simplistic way to share audio files with your audience without having to do some more complex hosting and connection via RSS feeds, which we could talk about at a later time. And all you would need to do is supply this URL, in my instance, pulley.tumblr.com, to the audience, and then they would be able to access the audio files simply and easily as that. Now, the other way that you can post audio files to Tumblr, which I really appreciate, and I'm sure you will too, is via the iPod Touch or the iPhone.